Hey guys, today I will show you how to hide Instagram story from someone. Now if you want to post an Instagram story, but you don't want one specific person or a couple different people to see that story, maybe it's just not necessarily for them, then you can always hide that story from them. So let's hop into the Instagram app here and let's scroll down. Say this is the account that I want to hide my story from. You can just tap on their profile here. If you don't have them in the feed, you can just search for them under your followers or following or at the bottom left at that search bar. But you want to get to their specific profile because once you're on here at the top right, you can just tap those three dots and you can tap hide your story. So it is saying this person will no longer see your story. So even if you post any stories, this specific account will no longer see it. Of course, you can always just tap those three dots again and hit unhide your story if you decide down the road that you're okay with them seeing your story. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.